The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.
A delegation from the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA met with Meghalaya's Tourism Minister Lyngdoh on the 9th of July 2024 to demand a ban on tourist taxis from other states operating at designated tourist spots in Meghalaya, citing negative impacts on local drivers' livelihoods. The association's president, Lyngdoh, stated that while he supports the operation of out-of-state tourist taxis in other parts of Meghalaya, access to tourist spots should be reserved for local drivers. He highlighted that approximately 3,000 tourist taxis from Assam operate in Meghalaya compared to around 1,000 local tourist taxis. Lyngdoh further informed that Minister Lyngdoh assured the members of the association that he would address the issue and arrange a follow-up discussion in a fortnight's time.
Jadi keban nakaliang keban ngikuak baga isu jungi keban kong keban ngikuak du senem bala dep du arjal apulai trik ngiwan November ngiwan kedu i sepang pan khang no i tourist taxi keban bar ke jela banek tah ki spot jungi yo don ki bastu bakrangan sai ba ki khang tang nam ta ban ki tourist taxi keban bar ki bichu banek ki tourist spot jungi ki ban yelam kai ki ndrei ngikuak bangi pan ni timan ni ngikuak bangi ong ke sarkar ba in town no da kata ke polisi bangin la ban ra bangi ki try local taxi ki badai ban ki tourist taxi ban ni jala jungi ban yelam kai saka ki tourist spot ki jungi halor kutu ke bajing ka jingkwa jungi ke jingdawa jungi ila ong ingi ba inwan inya kendu biang ni insyom ni perkhat kam bat ki department jong tourism ki badai pe ke tourism insyom perkhat kam pawan biang ni ini hadin artiyo hadin jong ni ketrik pawan ni jong hadin geni ke sengi pawan ni hadin ke artiyo kita ni kali kumba po hajar duna kita baik kot lu sidu kumdai khenlang ki bosu ki kot kumba lai hajar duna tam dan dinri kali kasi jongi pan kiba yok ban kamai matum kajing khen ke bangi yok ni hani kalong san hajar kat untuk san hajar saus pa tam utama kita di kali jongi kalong kiba du ki kali jongi kiba yok ban hiar kasi sing kalong betak hapo si hajar lan si hajar tam iwei ni ar ta kiba yok ban kamai ndri kiba pun ni kidi na bar jela kiba di ki hajar tam becis ni lor kata ni la di ekran ni minister mentan ba Lyngdoh ni ong bai sepenbek hadin artiyo sempat ini penbek bu ke center ya kata information center ringkap pat beri jong sarkar ringkap ru pat ni kita bal Lyngdoh kata ke benta lada ki menjur ya kata campaign ban khang mo kita tourist spot ba dei ban ra di keli ban bar kani ke jingsta kalong ke jingsta kalong hadu menta menen ke jingsta kalong ba para driver bolayo iaitu ke skim CM elevate tu kidon sarkar ka lek ba nam ta juki ni ta kinong ikna ki bam yok kam kila ai ya ki kita ki skim ban yok kitu kali ngrei obabun na kaliang kitu kali bat nangir ki pethit simet kan kalong ba ngin siu bai kot ru teng ndangi penbiang sekali ngila du thit ja thit khaw no ye ladangi penbiang hayeng kemut ngila du no ban siu ya ka ban renew ki bai kot bai kali kalong hadu kata ka jingi ejung Indonesia ni kembo kong ka issue jungi kalong nu benen kong ngakran ni krim ong bangin khang no ikali ki banabar state tani ainu sak kum ka kali Assam ki bon kamai sini bangin khang ni ki ban kamai ndai na kaliang jungi ni ong bai ngin khang ni kirpat na ka sarkar ban khang tang tourist spot kila banwan kamai kanu ke bentar jongka social long jongi kila banon ku passenger kila batoi tap sharing nang ni dari kapor jongki ku baju tap ship nang kadai juk ka kamram jongki tap kidi ban tap ta ni nam khang ni kali ban bar ban ong ban num sha shu kali ban ban trung ko shi ring shu ong bai khang tang ki tourist spot ki jongi idei ka kamram jongi ki local tourist taxi ki badi ban ra ki duty ki jongi ki